You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these two words correctly in English, pronounced as, the top word is pronounced race, race, the human race, for example, or different races of animals, race. The bottom word is a verb. When something grows, goes up, or is being grown, it's pronounced as raise. Yes, you've heard it, it's a Z sound, pronounced as raise. Bottom word, raise. English pronunciation, therefore, race, a S, an S sound. Top word, race versus raise. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.